Assalamualaikum, dear student. This is your fourth lecture. Open your books, page number 11. Chapter number 3, Asim's room. This is Asim's room. It is a small room. There is a chair and a study table in the room. There is a blue curtain on the window. The bed cover is also blue. Asim's room is not clean. His school bag is lying on the floor. His books are scattered on the bed. One shoe is on the chair. Where is the other shoe? Asim has many toys. He has a train. He has a teddy bear. Asim has 9 toy cars. He has building blocks. Asim likes to play with his toys, but he does not put them back. The blocks are on the floor. The toy train is on the table. The toy cars are on the bed. Where is the teddy bear? Asim enters the room. He is running. Suddenly, he trips on his bag. He falls down and hurts his elbow. He starts crying. What should Asim do so he does not fall again? How can Asim keep his room neat and clean? Now I am going to explain you this chapter. Asim has a small room. He has a chair and a study table in his room. It has a blue curtain on the window and a blue bed cover. His room is not clean. His school bag is on the floor and books are scattered on the bed. His room is not tidy. He has many toys and he likes to play with his toys. His toys are scattered on the floor and he trips and falls down. He hurts his elbow and starts crying. Asim should keep his room neat and clean. Now I am going to tell you words meaning. Small, chota. Room, kamra. Curtain, पर्दा. Lying, ज़मीन पर गिरा हुआ. Scattered, बिखरे हुए. Shoe, जूते. Toys, खिलौने. Likes, पसंद करना. Enters, दाखिल होना. Running, भागना. Suddenly, अचानक. Trips, ठोकर लगना. Falls down, गिरना. Elbow, कोनी. Crying, रोना. Now I am going to give you homework. See page number 13, exercise A. Circle the correct word. You have to circle the correct words for these sentences. You have to read the chapter carefully to do this exercise. Asim has a big or small room. He has a small room, small circle. Circle small. The bed cover is blue or red. The bed cover is blue. Circle blue. Asim's room is clean or dirty. His room is dirty. Circle dirty. Asim has many or few toys. He has many toys. Circle many. Asim trips on his bag or teddy. Circle bag. Asim trips on his bag. One shoe is on the bed or chair. One shoe is on the chair. Circle chair. Dear student, this is the end of today's lecture. Please complete your homework before next lecture. Thank you.